They think there is some sort of nobility in being minimalist, as if वो पूरे यूनिवर्स को बचा रहे हैं, like Avengers.
मैंने रिसर्च करने का चाहा कि I'll look up some points like what's the debate like on the internet. It was all negative about materialism.
All negative.
That materialists are very fickle. They don't care about relationships. They only care about things. They don't care about experiences. But it's not like that.
It is never like that.
What are your thoughts on fast fashion?
No, it's trash.
It is awesome.
I actually believe that we all need materialism. I don't know about the world, maybe the world doesn't need, but India definitely needs most of us to be materialistic. For a country like us, it is a morally superior thing to be materialistic if you can afford it.
जैसे लेफ्टिस्ट होता है ना कि हाँ मैं तो अच्छी चीजें, मैं तो डेवलपिंग चीजों पे अटैक ही करूंगा, उस तरह से वो जो क्लोजेट मिनिमलिस्ट होता है ना, उनके लिए हमेशा अटैकिंग पॉइंट होता है कि आप खराब करते हो, प्रदूषण करोगे.
Who decides what thing is materialistic? Everything is material. An abundance of one cheap thing is also being irresponsibly materialistic.
Do you think that having scarcity of a few things that you want is important, or do you think that we should indulge in whatever we want?
When I was a capitalist, मैं बेचती थी आंटियों को कुर्ती जो उनको नहीं चाहिए, but I was making money off of it. It's a money making business, we need money to survive, and capitalists are doing all that they can, slaying in their fields.
The question of generating so much waste, it's not equally correct. Apple is working on a lot of areas where they are saving on not polluting the environment, where they are using an old charger is one of the small steps that Apple has taken, reducing the box size. Imagine 10 million phones does not have a charger, have a small packaging, how much resources being saved.
Why don't they launch a phone every alternate year and save more resources?
I'll put two things here. One is होवे any bhool, and second philosophy or second rule of life or universe is called the Ghanta rule.
Anything that is in extreme is in a way harmful. Everything done at its pace or place where there is no saturation makes sense.
I read somewhere that if you have a problem and you know it can be solved, it is not a problem anymore.
The ultimate goal is to make me into a consumer, not necessarily a consumer who buys. It's remarkable, as in the three biggest Indian movie stars are promoting tobacco. How on earth are you able to get away with that? How I want to go out of the Northern Lights? Just show the photo of the
They'll
Northern
tell you
Lights.
the cheapest way to get there. Listen, they'll tell you the cheapest way to get there.
Lot of useful information.
How would that
Ah,
Northern Light
what
make
time to
you
go
by
to
your
the-
attention? It is not cheap.
एक बात
Okay,
बताओ
that's
बेटा.
fine, but I have time to waste.
I think I'm incapable of rejecting your partner. How strong a minimalist am I would determine whether I would hate a partner who is completely on the materialistic side, or vice versa. If you hold
No.
a minimalist beliefs truly deeply,
That should be for yourself.
yes,
Why should it be for others?
we all call ourselves non-judgmental, but I really doubt how many of us truly are.
मिनिमलिस्ट खुद को मटेरियलिस्ट से श्रेष्ठ मानते हैं. मिनिमलिस्ट थिंक ऑफ देमसेल्व्स एज सुपीरियर टू मटेरियलिस्ट.
They think there is some sort of nobility in being minimalist, as if वो पूरे यूनिवर्स को बचा रहे हैं, like Avengers, या अर्थ के सारे पॉल्यूटिंग फैक्टर्स मटीरियलिज्म की वजह से हैं, या बच्चे बिगड़ रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर नॉट मिनिमलिस्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट इज ये वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट वाला जो है ना आजकल, वो सारा मिनिमलिस्ट में भी आ गया है. दैट आउट ऑफ वैनिटी some people like being called vegan, then some people start thinking that they are minimalist. Most cases में ऐसा ही देखा है मैंने.
हाँ, मैंने भी I wanted to research. मैंने research करने का चाहा कि I'll look up some points to talk about in materialism and minimalism, like what's the debate like on the internet. because I had thoughts and I was like, let me just see if my thoughts match. And everywhere it was the same topic. It was all negative about
All
materialism.
negative.
That materialists are very fickle. They don't care about relationships. They only care about things. They don't care about experiences. But it's not like that.
It is never like that.
It's never like that, you know. ऐसा नहीं है कि because we like things and stuff, we also don't love our people and we don't love experiences. Sometimes we buy souvenirs from where we are traveling. Why? Because we want to remember a fond memory.
We are collecting memories and experiences.
Yeah, like we'll put it on our mental and we'll think about our trip there and we can reminisce, you know, the times that we spent there with our family, loved ones, friends, whoever we went there with.
What are your thoughts on fast fashion?
No, it's trash.
It is awesome because you are in trend, because you keep trying new things, because you gather so many experiences in a very short while. So why not?
I mean, in a way, yes, but also fast fashion I wear fast fashion, but I also think it's trash. The quality is very bad and it's not good for the
Carbon footprint that
yeah.
it leaves.
Yeah, but everything leaves a carbon footprint. Your denim also leaves a carbon footprint.
That is why I don't have a lot of denims.
Huh.
Probably.
That is your personal choice.
What is
That
the
is
per-
what. So that's my personal choice. I mean, I am not opposing that you start wearing only 2 pairs of jeans from tomorrow. But then you also need to think, why are people going back to being organic again? It's not that we would not want to get things, but we would use things which are only essentials. I mean, जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, probably will not use it. I mean, it's not that I'll be just in one pair of clothes for an entire month. That's not what minimalism is. It's only what I require, I'll buy that only. It's a sense of responsibility that you have towards environment, towards your own thinking, not only in terms of fashion, in terms of how you eat or how you think. Minimalism is not only about things that you possess or things that you have. It's about how you think, the way you think, and that is I think that is minimalism.
As far as moral superiority, yes, I kind of think that there is a subset of people to whom minimalism attracts because it is the morally superior option.
Or it is a
group
fad.
of people, it is a fad, yes. It is a fad by 100 बिल्ली चूहे मार के बिल्ली हंस को चढ़ी. So, of course, there is a large subset of people to whom any new philosophy will attract. And they are there because they want to feel morally superior. Having said that, being minimalistic will not make someone, if I am minimalistic and I am unkind, how am I a better person?
Correct.
If I am wearing one denim and kicking a dog,
Correct.
how will that make me morally superior? So it is one aspect. But having said that, I think the reverse is also very true. The reverse being that the people who think, I mean, if I am minimalistic, you will tend to assume that I believe I am morally superior. When you are
They are
not
more
like me,
They are unnecessarily
militant
sticky. That is the whole problem.
yes,
you
so,
know, they
so
come
this
and tell us.
generalization, this label,
They
you
come and
give
tell
me.
you.
I don't take it.
Yeah, we don't want it.
I don't take it. I don't feel any such thing. I am, in fact, what I said earlier was that I actually believe that we all need materialism. I don't know about the world. Maybe the world doesn't need, but India definitely needs most of us to be materialistic. Because if people stop buying things, then how will our economy grow?
How will development happen?
how will
new
development
things
happen?
come in
Of
picture?
course.
How will techniques be
Of
better?
course. So I think in a way, for a country like us, it is a morally superior thing to be materialistic if you can afford it. Maybe all of us minimalists are closet material because we don't have money to spend.
Exactly.
It is very, very possible. But from the point of minimalism, what I am seeing is that I don't have the money to splurge on material and I'm not unhappy in not having that money. I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I'm at peace. And even if you give me that money, I will not spend it on things which are jazzy, which appeal to me, but this is not me, kind of a thing.
It is not only about buying jazzy things. It is because you are putting that in context. वो सिर्फ glamorous चीज़ों के लिए है ऐसा नहीं है. Right. When we are talking about अति सूक्ष्मवादी या भौतिकवादी का नई चीज़ें खरीदना या उसके तरफ अट्रैक्ट होना
I let us talk
भौतिकवादी
from point of view of impulse.
No. Can I just? Sorry, so sorry to interrupt. What he just said that it's not that let's say a person does not have the money to buy something, he would not buy it and call himself a minimalist. It's not that. Even though if you have the provision of buying things, you would spend on things which you think are necessary. So if I give an example for myself, because my bread and butter is my profession, so I would want to use the gadgets that would sustain more, that would not run me down. So I would buy the best. That does not make me a materialistic person, is because I am buying something that I require to perform well, is because that is going to earn me. MacBook, I could have all of these, okay? All of them the best gadgets, right? But then I choose to buy one thing that works well. I would not require multiple things, okay? It's not like that. I mean, it's about investing in something which is essential. So this,
So, but the definition of essential differs from person to person, right? If somebody is buying a blue jeans, a black jeans, a green trouser, a kurta, for them that is essential. How is it not
But
essential
hold
for
on,
them?
what?
From your eyes, it may be inessential.
Who gives the authority to someone to describe a certain thing as necessary for another individual? Like, what is the gold standard for essential stuff for me and essential stuff for you? What is the gold standard कि मैं कुछ खरीद रही हूँ तो कौन कैसे जज कर सकता है कि ये
कि
unnecessary
इसकी
है?
आपको जरूरत थी
हाँ.
कि नहीं?
you yourself,
Yeah, but
you
what
yourself.
is the gold standard? For me, it is the most essential thing that I'm buying.
If you have an impulse to buy something, a lot of buying decisions are done impulsively. As in, हम सर्व कर रहे हैं और अभी तो ऐसा हो जाता है कि यार हम कोई चीज़ की बात करते हैं ना तो फिर वो अपने फोन में
हाँ.
उसकी ऐड दिखने लग जाती है और वो कोई चीज़ की सर्व कर रहे हैं. अभी मुझे मैं लेक्चर्स देता हूँ ना तो मुझे एक ऐसा हाई फाई वो प्रोजेक्टर का पेन चाहिए जिसमें ऐसे उस पर करो वैसे फोकस आ जाता है, बड़ा कर सकते हो छोटा. वो 15,000 की चीज़ है, मुझे उसकी लाइफ पे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसके बिना आराम से चल सकता है. बट मेरे दिमाग में वो कहीं कीड़ा बैठ गया कि ये चीज़ मुझे
Yeah, you
चाहिए.
keep seeing it everywhere now.
Yeah. So once I've decided impulsively that I will need this thing, over a period of 2, 3, 4 months, I can see myself finding reasons why it is essential. So the decision, emotional decision has been made first. The buying decision will be justified as necessary later. So as a minimalist, as a philosophy, I believe that the only thing where I fall in the minimalistic category is that I can see an impulse and be content in not indulging in that impulse.
but then you will not find things better than what your conventional thought process is. अगर इस तरह से कभी एक्सपेरिमेंट होगा ही नहीं.
So I said it has anything to do with experiment.
नहीं, अगर मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, impulse-
आप खुद को चांस ही नहीं दोगे.
हाँ, कुछ नई चीज ट्राई करने का.
खुद को चांस दूंगा अगर वो 500 रुपए की है तो. अगर वो
So
15,000
again-
की है तो नहीं दूंगा, अभी नहीं दूंगा.
But then it calls into the monetary restrictions.
Yes,
no?
of course. So that is what I
yeah.
said first,
Yeah,
right?
impulse.
Yes,
yeah.
so that is what I said first, that if I am indulging in something which according to me, which is again subjectively expensive, I am able to resist that impulse without it affecting.
But impulse
That is
can
what I
also be
believe
for 10
minimal.
rupees thing
Yeah.
also.
So of course, so
Yeah,
then
yeah.
that's what I'm saying. Ke, then I can indulge.
That is also a peak materialism only because you, as a child, for example, a child, their impulse might be to buy eraser. Even though they have a piece of eraser left, they might want to buy a bigger eraser or a brand new one. So, but then that is also materialism, right?
But the materialism is whether they throw away the old eraser or whether they
But
finish that old eraser.
तुम्हारे पास तो जूनी, मेरे पास तो पुरानी चीज भी है और मुझे वही सेम नई भी चाहिए.
So आप पुरानी को फिर गिनते हो कि नहीं गिनते हो, वो बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस आता है. मैं मेरे घर पे नई पेन लेके जाऊंगा तो अभी मेरी डॉटर मुझे बोलेगी कि भाई अब मेरे पास नया पेन आ गया है तो पुराना पेन कहाँ है पता ही नहीं चला. या तो नहीं पापा मेरे पास अब 2 पेन.
But that is
So that is the difference. Both is materialism. One is materialism where you still value, admire, and love the old thing, even though you have the new thing. The other is the old thing suddenly becomes trash. So that is where I am coming from.
That is irresponsible material.
मटीरियलिस्ट आनंद के लिए संसाधनों का दुरुपयोग करते हैं. मटीरियलिस्ट अब्यूज रिसोर्सेज फॉर प्लेजर.
The idea that materialists destroy things for their pleasure has always been a sore thing, and it has always हमेशा attacking point रहा है अच्छी चीज़ें खरीदने वालों के लिए. ये जैसे लेफ्टिस्ट होता है ना कि हाँ मैं तो अच्छी चीज़ें, मैं तो डेवलपिंग चीज़ों पे अटैक ही करूँगा, उस तरह से वो जो क्लोजेट मिनिमलिस्ट होता है ना, उनके लिए हमेशा ये अटैकिंग पॉइंट होता है कि आप खराब करते हो, प्रदूषण करोगे, समंदर में कचरा जाएगा और बच्चे खराब होंगे.
मैं तो एक्चुअली बहुत खुश होता हूँ. आई थिंक मटीरियल शुड बी अप्रिशिएटेड
For the economy.
No, because
economic
economy, because they boost my self-esteem. There's so
Yeah.
much less money I have to earn because I don't want all these things.
And we
I
will
am
be so
thankful to
happy.
you for showing me what I don't want.
Who decides what thing is materialistic? Everything is material.
Everything is
everything,
Yeah.
single thing. So
We agree
expensive
to
thing
that.
is not more materialistic.
That
And an abundance of one cheap thing is also being, irresponsibly materialistic.
प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग कोई भी आदमी अपनी सारी इम्पल्स पे एक्ट नहीं करता है,
कर नहीं सकता है.
हाँ, कर नहीं
कर
सकता
नहीं
है.
सकता है.
There are some
एवरीबॉडी
who
इज
do it.
प्रैक्टिकल. यहाँ सिर्फ मॉनिटरी या रिसोर्स की या रीच की या एक्सेस की बात नहीं आती.
आती
हर
है.
आदमी
Of course
इतना तो
आती है.
रैशनल होता ही है.
नहीं
क्यों
होता
हमारे
नहीं,
impulse
नहीं
पे
होता.
attack
We are
करे?
talking
नहीं
of an
होता.
irrational behavior.
Till
We
the
are
time you are
already
OCD.
talking of that behavior.
नहीं
Of
होता.
course.
That was
I
a
agree.
child. You
Of-
can't blame a child.
so
तो
do you
हर
think,
impulse
do
पे
you
act करता
think
है.
that right now if my daughter को एक कोई पेन दिखा और she cannot resist buying that pen at this moment, when she will suddenly become 21, she will wear a orange kurta and start giving speeches on minimalism.
She will
Do you
never
think
do
that
it.
habit will suddenly out of
No,
thin
it
air
will
disappear?
हमेशा ग्रेजुअल होता है.
Do you think it will disappear?
It will not.
Do you think she will be able to hear नहीं?
Yeah, that is
वो
true.
सारी
I
फिजिकल
can't
चीजें है ही नहीं.
है
सिर्फ
ही
आप अपनी
practical.
डॉटर से इंटरेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, आप ही उसको एजुकेट नहीं करते हैं.
मैं
बच्चों को
educate
उनके
किया, आप तो बोल रहे हो ना, सब
सराउंडिंग्स,
impulse से gradually चला जाएगा तो दिलाओ चीजें.
हर आदमी को उनके सराउंडिंग्स, उनके पेरेंट्स, उनके पीयर्स, सब लोग उसको एजुकेट करते हैं, ट्रेन करते हैं, मोल्ड करते हैं.
हम नहीं हो रहे मोल्ड तो क्या
नहीं,
करोगे
listen,
बताओ?
it is
That is impractical.
नहीं हो रहे
You
ना
are
mold.
shooting the blank guns, you are shooting blanks just for the sake of argument.
No, no.
कभी इतना
Suppose you
absolute
have a
नहीं होता.
habit. Suppose you have a habit of impulsive buying or getting attracted to something that you like buying.
No,
I am giving an example of buying because of this context. It could be eating. It could be eating cheese. It could be completely. It could be watching mobile.
I'll give you an example for this. My kid, he's a foodie. He gets cravings. So if he wants to eat a Subway, he wants to eat a Subway. If he does not, if I give him a Mac burger or if I give him whatever else, he'll eat that, but he'll still want to eat that thing. Now there is a self-realization that he's got that, okay, these things are harming my body and now I need to switch on to something which is healthy.
Do you think that having scarcity of a few things that you want is important? Or do you think that we should indulge in whatever we want?
But we can't always indulge because our budget will not always support it, na?
As you said, pencils.
Scarcity.
Budget में
हाँ.
indulge.
पर कितनी
But
पेंसिल?
वो बहुत सारी पेंसिलों के बाद पेंसिल जॉय देना बंद कर देगी.
हाँ, वो तो है.
अगर आप 6 महीना नहीं खरीदोगे,
हाँ.
फिर आप एक पेंसिल खरीदने जाओगे ना,
Yeah.
तो वो
उसका
जॉय वो
charm-
पेंसिल में वापस आएगा.
Yeah, for sure.
Same with if you try and restrict your screen time. Suppose you spend 3 hours on Instagram. Suppose you, as in I spend, maybe. And if I decide not to spend, and then suddenly I indulge myself, it gives me more joy. So I think it is not necessary just buying. It is a degree of self-denial
That will
that
in long run,
enhances our future experience, if I can put it that way.
it always will.
पूंजीवाद ने अच्छे से ज्यादा नुकसान किया है. कैपिटलिज्म हैज डन मोर डैमेज देन गुड.
Yes, because I do agree with that, because we did not know we needed these things until all these companies and advertisements and propagandas told us that we need it. Like a bag, for example, a purse, and things that we put in the purse. Me, myself, I did not know I needed it. But now I know that my hands are dry, and now I can feel that my hands are dry. So I have to have a hand cream in my bag. And then I need money, so obviously we put, but money so I can carry in a small little pouch also. We did not need a lip balm. My lips are dry. I know now that my lips are dry. My dad probably had dry lips before he realized that he can use a chapstick to cure his dry lips. And then gum or mint that we eat, we did not need know that मुखवास भी पहले खाते ही थे, and nobody carried mukhwas in their bags. But to put all that junk, now we need a purse and fashion, and to match it with our clothes. You know, capitalism and the propagandas told me, or not told me, but like, you know, they pushed me in that direction that, you know, this will look great with your outfit. Just that is how it's bad. I'm telling you, I myself I used to sell clothes and bags and such when I was working previously till 3 years ago. So I worked for 7-8 years in the fashion field, and I was also a capitalist, because I would capitalize on women's need to impulse shop at exhibitions. I used to participate in exhibitions where I was a capitalist. मैं बेचती थी आंटियों को कुर्ती जो उनको नहीं चाहिए, but I was making money off of it. It's a money making business, you know. We need money to survive, and capitalists are doing all that they can, slaying in their fields.
So I personally completely disagree that capitalism is anyway evil. Capitalism has lifted more people out of poverty than anything else.
Yeah,
So
for
I'll
sure.
give you of your wedding industry an example. I initially always used to thought कि यार इतने हाई फाई वेडिंग करोगे, इससे अच्छा हस्बैंड वाइफ को इतना पैसा दे तो 10 साल की उनकी मेहनत बच जाएगी. 10 साल की उनकी मेहनत बच जाएगी, कितना कम काम करना पड़ेगा. As in, basically, what is wealth? Wealth is trading your time for money. Work is trading your time for money. That is all. If we all had a lot of money, we would do only things that we love. Right? If I would do bakwas, they would not listen to me. Naturally, who would? No. So, if that was my point of view earlier, कि भाई this is a capitalism का evil because it has made this कि भाई ये wedding pre-wedding shoot होना चाहिए ये वो. But at the ground level now I see, when I knew you better, at the ground level I see that due to this one wedding industry,
So many people
money
are
is
getting
reaching
employed.
so
Yeah.
many places, and it is the best way to transfer black money from a rich person to downstream is a wedding and elections. These are the two ways when black money circulates through the veins of the country. So I think capitalism is fantastic. The problem comes when capitalism reaches to such a level that it leaves no space for alternate ways of existing. So that it comes to the same point that we discussed earlier कि क्या minimalistic morally superior है, वैसा जैसे अब US is a pure capitalism.
Yeah, everything.
Even the prisons are for profit. So imagine a situation, a country where a prison is run for profit. So if you go to the prison, they will have to keep you long because they are making money out of it. Right? So if you take anything to its extreme, it is going to have an effect which is, in the same way, if you think that you can exist without, say you said that by Apple is making fantastic products, so because I buy only essential things which should be sustainable, by Apple, I will buy an Apple product. But do you think Apple would be able to make such products if millions and millions of people were not upgrading their phones every year? They would not be able to make it.
Correct.
So, of course, you need capitalism.
But at the same time, aren't we creating more waste? Because with an Apple phone, for example, since you gave the example of Apple, with an Apple phone comes a box. It comes wrapped in plastic.
They've
The
also
phone comes wrapped
minimalized
in
on that
plastic.
also.
Yeah, but it still comes in a box. Still, to minimalize it, they remove the charger to make the box smaller. So you have to buy the charger separately, and
They
the
said that
charger
more or
comes in a
less
box.
keep the who's that. Yeah.
Huh. But listen, hold
Okay.
on. It comes in a box wrapped in plastic. The phone comes wrapped in plastic. It comes on a piece of cardboard sort of a material. It comes with a booklet. The booklet also under the booklet is the charging cable. It comes wrapped in a piece of paper.
The question of generating so much waste, it's not equally correct, right? So Apple is working on a lot of areas where they are saving on not polluting the environment, where they are, so using an old charger is one of the small steps that Apple has taken, reducing the box size. Imagine 10 million phones does not have a charger. Okay, 10 million phones have a small packaging. How much resources being saved?
So why don't they launch a phone every alternate year and save more resources?
I'll put two things here before I say anything else. One is there is a very strong philosophy in Jainism which was told to me by a Jain friend. उनका बोलना है भोगवे एनी भूल. भूल होए ए भोगवे नहीं, भोगवे एनी भूल. अगर आप इतने स्मार्ट नहीं हो और अगर आप उसको चाहे साइकोलॉजिकली चाहे और किसी तरीके से उसको सफ़र कर रहे हो तो somehow it is your mistake.
It is
It
your
might be
mistake. Do you
karma
really
of-
believe that? Do you really
It-
believe that?
It might
As
be
in
past
मेरे
karma.
घर पे जो झाड़ू वाला आता है उसका बच्चा अभी वापस झाड़ू बजे तो वो उसकी भूल.
And second philosophy or second rule of life or universe is called the Ghanta rule. In normal or economic sense, it is simply called the bell-shaped curve. You cannot escape the bell shape.
Yeah,
It
we was down,
capitalism
we
or
go up,
anything
we
else.
was go up,
So the
we go down.
The
capitalism
extremes are
extremes
always
is,
less.
Oh.
There is always a bell-shaped curve in anything. Smartest people, less. Dumbest people, less. Average people, more. Richest people, less. Poorest people, less. Average people, more.
But now poorest people more.
There is no escaping the bell-shaped curve till the time there is life on earth.
मैं अपने साथी का अस्वीकार कर दूं यदि वो विपरीत जीवन शैली पसंद करते हैं. I would reject my partner if they prefer the opposite lifestyle.
I disagree to that.
Even everyone probably
I think
thinks
I'm
of-
incapable of rejecting
Yeah.
partner after
All
15
married
years.
men are, yeah. So I agree. I 100% agree that if she is a shopaholic, is totally opposite, I would not mind that.
Listen, and you would not want to reject, like even I won't want to reject because two shopaholics together would be a disaster.
लेकिन क्या doesn't it gets to you? I mean, ठीक है, आप complimenting personalities उसके बारे में सुना है, the right match और the right fit की दो opposite attracts, वो सब कहने की बातें हैं. But when somebody does something day in and day out,
Yeah.
जैसे कि हम सब ने एक इस पूरे एपिसोड में एक लेवल पे हम सब ने बोला कि कोई बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करे तो हम अनॉय हो जाते हैं, बोर हो जाते हैं. अब ये सोचो, इफ़ इट गेट्स ऑन टू मच तो क्या फिर भी वो बेरेबल है? आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ बेरेबल फॉर मी.
I would sort of agree with you, but also sort of disagree. I enjoy shopping basically, and I enjoy buying things, and that does not mean that's all I do every day. But my partner also enjoys buying things and shopping for things, but he will make do if he doesn't need anything. He will only buy things out of necessity. So we sort of complement each other. Shopping is not my entire personality.
तो शॉपिंग तो एक बहुत छोटा सा एस्पेक्ट है.
Yeah, obviously, completely opposite.
डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल.
No,
Probably
completely
you would not be
different.
together if you were.
Yeah.
I mean, at an initial stage only, you would deny being with that
Yeah.
person,
Yeah.
rather than realizing it 10 years from now that this is someone that I would not want to be with. Probably even the other half would also understands your likings. Probably would not do things probably just to have a harmony in the relationship. So I think it
And
works.
sometimes
it
they
works.
change also, right? A little bit. Not a lot, but even 30% of the change.
Because they have to come towards moderation
Yeah,
rather than
yeah.
going to the
Yeah,
extreme.
yeah.
But I think this particular thought process forces you to think how strongly you believe in what you are saying. Say
Or
for
what are you-
But
example,
then it also
say
applies the
for
opposite
example,
way, right?
if I call myself a minimalist, how strong a minimalist am I would determine whether I would hate a partner who is completely on the materialistic side or vice versa. Most of us are not that strong belief holders in this particular thing, and I think especially a relationship has so many facets to it. Somebody could be an excellent mother and they may be an impulsive shopper. So one thing will cancel out everything else in one moment.
Yeah, but why can't they be an impulsive mother? I mean, an impulsive shopper, and it both are good things.
So
only,
that's
right?
what I'm saying.
I mean, how does it matter?
Yeah, how does it
matter?
How does
if,
it measure also?
How does it matter if an individual is a minimalist and better half is a materialist? I mean,
If you hold
No,
the minimalist beliefs truly deeply,
that should be for yourself.
yes,
Why should it be for others?
we
I mean,
we all call ourselves non-judgmental, but I really doubt how many of us truly are. At one point of time, we always end up judging other people, and we hold our dear ones to a higher standard than we hold to ourselves.
No. So it's not necessary that you would want others to change because you are living that lifestyle. Probably that person might look at you and realize that, okay, this is something that he is or she is doing which is making sense, and then I would want to do that. But forcing someone to be a minimalist because you are a minimalist is not something that I agree to. Everyone is an individual. Everyone has the choice of being what they want. As we said, that there has to be a balance. There has to be harmony. As long as that is there, I don't see a problem of you forcing someone to, because I have my values, I have my ethos of being a minimalist. I want everyone in the house to be a minimalist person. That is something which I don't agree to.
My husband is not a reader. I love reading. He is a gamer. And in the beginning of our relationship, that was like one of the biggest problems that we used to face. That he would not spend time with me, and he would be playing his video games or his, on his PS, which is whatever time he was free, he would want to spend with his friends playing video games, basically. And when he would get free, he would want my attention, but then I would be reading at that point of time. And I do not want to spare any attention at that time because I was like, I'm in this intense reading session. I don't want to break away from it. And we had to find a balance, right? And I can't be like, you stop playing your video games, and he can't be like, you stop reading your books. There has to be a balance. It's something I feel like it's something like that. Like, your wife does not read according to what you said. So do you like you?
So I
Probably
think there's
found
a
a balance
difference
in
between
there.
a habit and a philosophy. When you are talking, as in, when we take minimalism to an extreme, it is a way of life, a philosophy. So what I'm trying to say here is that even though I am saying I am a minimalist, I'm saying that after I indulge in all the comforts of materialism, from that context I'm saying, which is why I don't find her, even if she's completely into shopping or whatever, a deal breaker. If I were truly in that minimalistic philosophy, which is a core value of life, the other value would be incompatible.
And that is what I said. I mean, initially, if there are differences and you feel that this is not the right person for you, probably you would not get into that relationship. But then if you think that, that thing is not harming me, it's not to an extreme, and I'm comfortable with that, probably then you strike a balance.
सेलिब्रिटीज ने मेरी जीवन शैली की विचारधारा को प्रभावित किया है. Celebrities have influenced my lifestyle philosophy.
I completely agree that influencers और celebrities ने मेरी lifestyle को impact किया है because वो aspirations शायद मुझ में अब ज़्यादा है. जो चीज़ मैं अपने आसपास नहीं देखता हूँ या अपने immediate surroundings में नहीं देखता हूँ, एटलीस्ट मुझे पता है कि मेरी पहुँच कहाँ तक जा सकती है. What amazing things I can experience, I can own, and I can feel or possess in my hands.
Yeah.
आई थिंक दैट इज wannabe celebrities या influencers की बात अगर हम हटा दें तो इट इज़ ए बिग एडवांटेज कि हम तक कम से कम इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है एंड वी कैन strive to reach at that level.
Yeah, every day you learn new things. I also agree with that, up to a certain extent. जब तक वो लोग अपने खुद के मार्केटिंग एंड एड एजेंडाज हम पे पुश नहीं करते, वेयर दे ट्राई टू कॉन्शियसली गेट यू टू बाय थिंग्स बाय प्रमोटिंग इट कॉन्स्टेंटली, I do agree with that. We discover so many new like fashion labels or skincare brands or even restaurants for that example, or new locations like some like influencers go to Bali or Thailand for that matter, or even Manali. I feel like it's up to the consumers to not get carried away. Like I was going to say tana hi nahi jawanu. Like it's up to a person themselves to not get carried away and not get influenced too much, and aspire to be them, because obviously everyone's lives are different.
Yeah, I also agree to celebrities or influencers because as you said, things that you are not aware of, you get to know about those things, how to do those things, what not to do. Even if we do not make it, but still we have an experience that they have shared and we find pleasure out of it. Probably that's the reason why we nowadays look at reels, go on looking at reels, and most of it is about either traveling or some new product or some new place or something of that sort. So in a way they do help us in understanding or knowing more things.
I don't think I'm born to be a consumer. And I think these influencers and celebrities and this entire out there thingy, the ultimate goal is to make me into a consumer. Not necessarily a consumer who buys, a consumer who consumes their content also. I think there are two different things: to be on the field batting and to be out there cheering. I don't want to sit outside the stadium all the time cheering. I'd bat and I'd get out for 0. So I'd rather do than consume. Whatever it comes. And especially when I see the power that these celebrities and influencers have over the people, it's remarkable. As in, the 3 biggest Indian movie stars are promoting tobacco. How on earth are you able to, get away with that? With the power that you have over people's mind. So I think, I understand where you're coming from. I understand that, yes, a lot of things that I cannot do, I can see people doing. But it doesn't really reach me.
Yeah, every money is not good money. हर प्रमोशन ऑनेस्ट नहीं होता, हम सब जानते हैं. बीच में अभी कुछ केस स्टडीज आई थी जहाँ पे आलिया भट्ट एंड अ कपल ऑफ अदर सेलिब्रिटीज़ वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, चॉकलेट्स, बाकी सब चीज़ों की एड में है, लेकिन
They never have that in the
या एक प्राइवेट कॉन्वर्जेशन है जहाँ पर दीज गाइज आर सेइंग कि शुगर के बगैर ही मैं
yeah
खाता हूँ, पीता हूँ, बिकॉज शुगर इज़ रियली बैड फॉर हेल्थ. ठीक है, हम सबके साथ ये होता है कि हमारे प्रोफेशन से हमारी पर्सनालिटी कई बार अलग हो सकती है, बट देन देयर इज
ये फॉलोअर
the game
वाला
is
तो
there.
ये पुराना गेम है. रिलीजन पर भी तो यही गेम है. क्राइस्ट के कितने थे, मोहम्मद के कितने थे, अब ये इनके कितने हैं जिनके ज्यादा फॉलो. बेसिकली द सेम गेम.
करेक्ट.
The follower game is the same game. I mean, it's. I understand its charm, but it's not for me.
yeah
That charm is always going to be there for some set of people.
And it's okay. It should be there. Yes.
I mean,
But I am influenced by the celebrities in an opposite manner. I kind of will do exactly the opposite.
you get de-influenced.
Yes.
That's also a thing now.
So if I see that this Goa में ये जगह पे sunset बहुत अच्छा है तो नहीं जाना है ये जगह.
But it's
Let it
it's
out.
actually sometimes it's actually
तो
good.
भी कोई बात नहीं.
everything is not
But there's a thing
evil.
called de-influencing
I mean, there
now.
are things that probably Northern Lights, I would love to go. I might go, I might not go.
Yeah.
But then I know what Northern Light is.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I
for
would
sure.
know that without the influencers also.
No, but they are experiencing that thing. You know it.
Okay, let's
You know it in terms of the education or the knowledge that you have. But then these people are actually showing you
And they're so
what
specific.
Northern Light is.
And they're so
and what-
specific with
yeah.
what time to go to,
So you could
what
always see
time to
what
go
Northern
at.
Light is without a person with a camera in his hand in
they-
front
they'll
of the
tell you-
Northern Lights. Why you want to go in front of the Northern Lights? Just show the photo of the
They'll
Northern
tell you
Lights.
the cheapest way to get there. Listen, they'll tell you the cheapest way to get there.
Lot of useful information.
How would that
Ah,
Northern Light
what
make
time
you?
to go
Paying by
to
your
the-
attention, it is not cheap.
एक बात
Alright,
बताओ
that's
बिना,
fine, but I have time to waste.
apart from people you know, ठीक है, आप जिनको पर्सनली जानते हो, उसके अलावा आप, आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस कि और कौन से, चाहे फिल्म एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेस हो या स्टार्स हो या इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हो, आप किसको देखते हो जनरली? किसी एक को तो देखते होंगे फॉर
और
इंस्टेंस.
100 को देखता हूँ. ये ऐसा नहीं है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई डोंट गेट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड. I don't like the fact that I get influenced.
Let's
Oh,
say,
yeah.
let's
I'm
say,
not saying it is
So you
natural
get
to
influenced
get
by whom?
influenced.
Pinat
Yeah,
bhai,
who do you get influenced? Who do you
Pinat bhai,
follow?
let's say those 3 superstars are promoting tobacco right now,
Hmm.
which is unethical.
Do you like
Okay,
any of
you
that?
don't like that thing. Let's say natural calamity happens and these 3 celebrities are the first ones to go to that calamity.
Even that doesn't justify their action.
no.
For that.
It's something not for the showbiz. It's something that they want to
From
do.
their
There
own
are-
heart.
From their own heart. There are music bands who are there for AIDS, are there for relief funds. Would that give you a?
So am I saying
sense
the
of-
celebrities or influencers
Let
are
me
bad?
just complete. Would that give you a sense of even you participating with them in doing a cause or helping them or be with them to, at your level, give or deliver something for that particular cause? Would you want to do that or would you not want to do that? When you say that if I have to go to
See,
Goa,
there is this principle that I have always followed, that you never work with people with whom your values don't match. So if my value doesn't match with a celebrity influencer who is selling tobacco, my value will not start matching with him, because I will always have this doubt in mind कि इसका कुछ तो एजेंडा होगा, ये क्या कर रहा है वहाँ पे. So for me it doesn't work. I will find somebody with whom there will be, of course, influencers and celebrities like Amir Khan. So nowadays he is not politically correct, but when I was in 9 years old, 1989, we had this Filmfare, Stardust, Cineplus, News, and at that time there was this one thing that Amir Khan said, नहीं मुझे जितने भी पिक्चर मिलेंगे ना, मैं तो साल में एक ही पिक्चर करूँ. ब्रो साल में एक साथ में एक पिक्चर
वो
करूँ.
पहला एक्टर था जिसने वो कम कर दिया था.
So when I started, so whenever we get in our phase of life where we also get a lot of work opportunities, so that time that thought of that person कि बॉस इसमें हिम्मत तो देखो, काम आ रहा है, पैसा आ रहा है, ना बोलने की हिम्मत. So that is the way I got influenced. कि भाई I will also say no where I don't want to work. See, because somewhere in my mind this line always stuck with me, that this person is getting work and he doesn't want to do it because he said I will do one. So of course that is an influence for me also. So I am not saying, but the context in which we are talking of the Instagram reels specifically, or the YouTube shorts or etc., where the celebrities and influencers are always competing for our attention, I do not deny that I give them attention, but I do not enjoy giving them attention.
Just my last question on this topic. I'm again curious. क्या ये 3 लोग जो टोबैको बेचते हैं, अक्षय कुमार,
शाहरुख
शाहरुख खान
अजय
and
देवगन.
अजय देवगन, क्या आप उनकी वो इमेज जो है कि वो मोरली गलत कर रहे हैं बाय डूइंग दिस एड, क्या वो उस इमेज को आप उनके बाकी पर्सोना या मूवी या उस पे भी आप
I am
Superimpose
indifferent to
करो.
Listen,
them.
but Akshay Kumar makes so
I
many
give
movies
zero
about
shits
social,
what they do in their life. I'm indifferent to them.
social causes.
Why do I need to have an
Sad
opinion
Man.
about them?
Then he did. He does a lot of Hindutva movies. I really like Akshay Kumar.
in
I
fact,
love
he
Shahrukh
is
Khan.
more into
He does
being
a lot of
fit.
charity
I will
work
enjoy his
also.
movie.
It also.
If I
Okay, but
enjoy-
you still enjoy the
Of
movie
course, why
despite
not?
you.
So you'll not have a paradigm
Vendetta. You
on
know,
them
you
that
won't have a
these
vendetta
people are-
against them.
just because of one
But it's
act
okay. They
that
still
they
made
did,
money out of it. so.
the rest of it is washed out or
I mean, I am indifferent. I am not pro or anti. I am indifferent to these people.
Yeah,
in
but
my
you can
opinion.
be indifferent, but also like some other people. You don't have to like everyone
Yeah,
sitting here.
exactly.
You can like one person also.
Of course, but
Huh.
I will not like that person if he constantly tries to gain my attention.
But Yeah.
through these reels.
It's your algorithm is bad then.
Don't call him more than once a week.
कभी कभी मुझे अपनी जीवन शैली की विचारधारा चुनने पर पछतावा होता है. Sometimes I regret choosing my lifestyle philosophy.
This is specifically tailored to minimalism and materialism.
Yes, I do feel like मैंने गलत जीवन शैली चुनी है मटीरियलिज्म की. जब मेरे पास सामान रखने के लिए कबर्ड में जगह नहीं होती, बिकॉज मैं सामान तो नया ले सकती हूँ पर मैं जगह एक्स्ट्रा नहीं बना सकती, बिकॉज वो जगह लेने में मुझे मेरा सारा सामान बेचना पड़ेगा. देन आई विल बी एबल टू अफोर्ड अ न्यू प्लेस, बट देन इफ आई buy that new place, I will not be able to afford to buy new things. So, this is a vicious circle. But
If you would have everything, where would you put it?
but more practically, I do sometimes think that because I also want to get on the bandwagon of feeling superior in the terms of being a minimalist, and also feeling that high that I get with educating people that what, materialism is just a state of mind. Like I'm just going on a random tangent, but
I regret the choice of being a materialist. I read somewhere that if you have a problem and you know it can be solved, it is not a problem anymore. लेकिन उन प्रॉब्लम्स, मटीरियलिज्म से पैदा होने वाले प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है और टाइम लगेगा, purely because of the scale of everything. So that is where a small tinge comes.
yeah,
कि हाँ, कि क्या बहुत देर तो नहीं हो जाएगी, या इतनी हद तक तो चीज़ें नहीं खराब हो जाएगी कि उसको हम रिवर्स ना कर सकें. We have to go on an alternate, or let's say plan B, right? But then I also see the benefits coming out of materialism in terms of economic benefits, income, in terms of psychological well-being. So
I always say to my daughter about this, that when you will grow up, then you will tell your maybe kids or maybe grandkids कि तुम्हें पता है हमारे घर पे तो कैसा होता था कि एक नल होता था, ऊपर से शावर में से पानी आता था, जितने देर नहाना है
yeah,
नहाते
I know.
रहो, आता रहेगा पानी, नहाते रहो नहाते रहो नहाते रहो.
water,
I mean, it will
Yeah.
it
It's a
is
limit of
bound to
resource.
become a luxury sooner or later,
Yeah, yeah.
very soon.
unless capitalism and human ingenuity find a way. But having said that, I also regret minimalism on the times when I convince myself that I am being minimalist because maybe I cannot afford to own that thing, or maybe I'm too lazy to work for that thing. So it becomes like a justification at some point of time कि क्या ज़रूरत है. Like chasing experiences also. Who in their right mind would not want to go and say watch a meteor shower or aurora or whatever? Everybody would want it. But then at certain point of time you realize कि आप अपने आप को ही डिब्बे में उतार रहे हो. So at those times you regret it. कि I actually, if you were more ambitious, then if you craved for more things, you would ask more of yourself.
Yeah.
वो
If you are
cycle
very
को
easily
आप-
satisfied,
Yeah,
then you
yeah.
don't ask enough of yourself. So you don't challenge yourself enough sometimes.
Yeah, because you think
Where I
that you are
regret.
content in whatever I have, and so you don't. You might not
You
want
might
to
not
work.
push yourself
Yeah, you
more.
might not want to work. That what, I am happy right now.
Huh.
I am content.
What else do you want other
Yeah.
than happiness?
Yeah,
Gyan?
yeah.
So I think the crux of this entire thing is anything that is in extreme is in a way harmful. Everything done at its pace or at a place where there is no saturation makes sense. So as you said that if materialism did not have an evil outcome, probably people would be materialistic. But now that even Pinak Bhai said that his kid would say that हम ऐसे नहाते थे, अब scarcity है, because that was used in abundance, not thought about it at that time. It was at an extreme. Probably then the generation will start thinking of.
We are borrowing from the future to indulge ourselves in the present. That is a fact. And because the future is very far away, we are okay with it.
Yeah.
I also regret being called a morally superior person.
Yeah.
Or being assumed to be one.
Or
Yeah,
be, or be tagged.
I
or being
regret
tagged.
being called a fickle person. Yeah, because sometimes people do think that, you know, you are superficial, but you don't know my life. You don't know why I like to attach my self to things. Or not you particularly, like
In general.
people, like in general, like us.
To create something, as in things in themselves, are truly, I mean, it's a magic of human imagination.
Yeah, for
To
sure.
be able to create so many things
Yeah.
Out of nothing.
out of nothing is,
And with
is truly
imagination.
magic. It's with imagination.
And to
it's
make
truly
life
magical.
easier.
And if people wouldn't buy, nobody would create.